Hey, what's up guys, my name is Samad and you're watching Mr Salesman. Hope you guys are doing good. So guys, today I have brought an amazing winter sale for you guys so that you guys can have benefit as much as you can. So basically this catalog is of 3000 rupees. But to know my price tag, watch the video till the end. And if you like this video, share it with your friends and your family. And yeah, if you haven't watched my previous video on the wallpapers, it will be linked in the I button on top. Before we get started, be sure to click the subscribe button. If you haven't already, click the bell notification icon next to the subscribe button to be notified when I upload a new video. So without wasting your time, अब सीधा बढ़ते हैं प्रोडक्ट की तरफ. This is the front page of this catalog. As you can see, there is an amazing bunch design and some stripe designs. So this catalog is filled with bunches, some damask designs, some stripes, and some amazing aesthetic 3D designs. So don't skip the video. You don't know which design you would like. A roll covers 50 square feet area, so this is pretty cheap. And watch the video till the end if you want to know the prices. The original price of this catalog is 3000 rupees. There are some floral designs as well. This is a really amazing color contrast. Any of these designs, take a screenshot and send it on my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number will be present in the description box below and will be hovering on the screen. So these are some plain textured, self-textured designs with amazing colors. This is another bunch design. As you can see, this is the display. Make sure to keep an eye on the displays so that you guys can have an idea of how to decorate your homes, how to decorate your walls. So basically this design is for your main wall and this plain design is for the rest of the 3 walls, or you can put this design on the front and back wall and the plain design on the left and right one. There are many winter sales coming up, so subscribe to my channel, click the bell notification icon. So when I upload a sale catalog, you can watch it and order it for yourself. So we have the 3D designs. Now we have some damask designs. Look at this plain design. This itself is so amazing. Now we have the big bunches, as you can see in the display. You can apply these wallpapers in your bedrooms, in your living rooms, even your drawing rooms. And with the right color contrast, you can play very good with this wallpaper. Now we have the brick designs, the 3D bricks. As you can see the display, it looks really good in the display, and trust me, it would look better in your homes. And this is the last color of this catalog. This was the winter sale catalog designs. Hope you like these designs. If you like any of them, take a screenshot and send it on my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number will be present on the screen and will be in the description box below. Okay, so the original price of this catalog is 3000 rupees per roll, but the price tag that I am giving you in is 24.99 rupees per roll, but only for subscribers. So if you wanna avail this sale, click the subscribe button and send a screenshot of that subscribe button and the design that you like on my WhatsApp number. and then you can have the rolls. If you wanna watch any other of my videos, it will be linked in the I button on top and will be present over here and over here. And yeah, for the next video, Allah Hafiz.